Tris Gray from mining.com.au. I'm joined now by Silvercorp Metals President Lon Shaver.
Hi, Tris. It's a pleasure to be here.
In December last year, Silvercorp launched an off-market takeover bid for OreCorp, who owns the Nyanzaga gold project in Tanzania. But you're not the only ones vying for the project. Perseus Mining lobbed a competing takeover bid in January. What's happened since?
I think for a lot of investors, not a lot. We've gotten our offer open. Ours is the one that is open and available for investors to accept. And what we have right now is a key element necessary to close the transaction, which is approval from the FCC. This is a commission in Tanzania that's required to stamp and provide approval for a takeover for assets within the country. So we have that approval. Our offer is open and actionable. And last week we extended the deadline, which was to be this coming Friday, for a further 2 weeks. So our offer will now be open until March 8th.
Silvercorp already has FCC approval, but Perseus is expecting its approval to come through at the end of February. Why does this matter, and how could it change shareholder perception of the two deals?
Well, right now, as I said, ours is actionable. And so should shareholders want to take the value that's on the table that we've offered in our proposal, they can. For the time being, until Perseus gets that approval, they cannot close on that transaction and pay for those shares. So if people are interested in selling their OreCorp shares and moving on, we've got the offer that's open and actionable right now. And obviously for Perseus, there's a bit of a time to wait to see if and when they can get that approval.
Now, Silvercorp's deal is a mix of cash and scrip, but Perseus is an all-cash offer. What are the differences to consider between the two offers?
Well, our offer provides OreCorp shareholders the opportunity to participate in the Nyanzaga gold project, which is the reason why they owned OreCorp in the first place. And I think looking at the markets right now, nobody would argue that the markets are at a high. If mining investors are trying to buy low and sell high, this wouldn't necessarily seem like the time to liquidate your investment for cash. And so given that our offer has that share component, OreCorp shareholders have the exposure and the ability to participate, not just in the Nyanzaga project and what it could do for us as a company, but also our other assets as well.
Thanks, Lon. We look forward to following the OreCorp deal as it unfolds.
Thank you.